Hello students, let us find a relation between J and E. J is the current density and E is the electric field intensity. Current density and electric field intensity are related. The relation between them is complex in general. However, in some materials, including most metals, they bear a simple relationship. The current density J, the current density J and electric field strength E are related. J is directly proportional to E. J is directly proportional to E, or J is equal to sigma E, where sigma is a constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. It is called electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity of the material. So J equal to sigma E. This relation is called, that is the microscopic form of Ohm's law. In homogeneous and isotopic materials, J and E are in the same direction. J vector and electric vector, these two are parallel. In case of homogeneous and isotropic material, in that case we can write J equal to sigma E. So J equal to sigma E, or sigma equal to J by E. We can define electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is the ratio of magnitude of current density to the magnitude of electric field intensity. Since we know that resistivity rho is equal to 1 by sigma, so we can write J is equal to 1 by rho into E, or rho is equal to E by J. So the resistivity of the given conductor is equal to the ratio of the magnitude of electric field strength to the magnitude of current density. Thus, resistivity and conductivity are the intrinsic properties of the materials. Rho and sigma, they are scalar quantities. So let us find the dimension of rho and sigma. Dimension of rho, that is equal to dimension of E divided by dimension of J. So E is F by Q, dimension of F by Q by dimension of I by A. Current density is current for unit area. So dimension of force is ml T minus 2 by dimension of charge is AT divided by dimension of current is A, and dimension of A means A is your area, that is L square. So m L T to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 1 by A L to the power minus 2. So this is equal to m L cube T to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 2. So dimension of rho is m L cube T to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 2. Now dimension of sigma. Dimension of sigma is, that is the reciprocal of dimension of rho. So 1 by dimension of rho is m L cube T to the power minus 3 a to the power minus 2. So this is equal to m to the power minus 1 l to the power minus 3 t cube a square. So this is the dimensional formula of conductivity. Now SI unit of sigma and rho. SI units of rho and sigma. SI unit of rho is, that is, unit of E divided by unit of J. Unit of electric field intensity is, that is, volt per meter. Volt per meter. Since E equal to V by L. So unit of E is volt per meter. And unit of J is, that is I by A. So unit of J is ampere per square meter. This is ampere per square meter. So the unit is volt meter per ampere. But volt per ampere, that is ohm. So unit is ohm meter. So SI unit of rho is ohm meter. SI unit of sigma is, that is, 1 by ohm meter, that is ohm inverse meter inverse. We can write ohm inverse meter inverse. Ohm inverse can be written as mho, mho per meter. Since ohm inverse is Siemens, so we can write also Siemens per meter. Thank you.